All right, guys, here's a really handy thing to have, even if you're just really basic do-it-yourselfer. This is an oil pan thread repair kit. And if you're doing oil changes for your neighbors and friends, or even just on your own cars, this really can be a lifesaver. All right, the kit comes with some instructions and the list of parts here. So basically, you've got 3 of pretty much every size of oil pan bolts. So if your oil pan bolt is lost or damaged, you just pull out another bolt here from the kit. I actually had to use one, but I replaced it with a used one there. And then also you've got the washers as well. The washers are critically important. And as a matter of fact, on some cars, those washers are one-time use. So if you do an oil change and you've got like a copper washer there, you really do need to replace that copper washer to ensure a seal, because these are crushable one time. If you have damaged threads in the oil pan itself, it even includes these taps here as well with the common sizes so that you can do a thread repair. All right, again, this is from Bilitools. If you watch this channel, that should sound familiar to you. We do quite a few things with Bilitools, and they make really good quality products like this one. I use this quite often.